Hey guys, Scott DeSalvo, injury lawyer here, and in today's video I want to tell you how a free consultation with a lawyer goes, or how it's supposed to go. I talk to some people and they're very, very nervous to talk to a lawyer. Maybe they have never talked to a lawyer before. Maybe they're afraid that the lawyer is going to secretly try and charge them. Maybe the whole situation that they're in that is making them call the lawyer just has them very concerned, right? Maybe they've talked to a lawyer before and the lawyer they talked to was a jackass. Let's just call it what it is. This is what I'm going to tell you. Most lawyers are not jackasses. Even the harsh ones are going to be nice to you doing a free consultation, because in a free consultation, a lawyer is talking to you and trying to help you, but they're also trying to see if you have a case that they can make money on. So this is what I'll tell you. If you get on a free consultation with a lawyer and they're rude to you, hang up. Call somebody else. You don't want to, if a lawyer's rude to you during the free consultation, what do you think your relationship is going to be with them as the case progresses? They're going to be unpleasant to you, right? So when you get a free consultation, 99% of the time the lawyer is very nice. And this is how it goes in my office, okay? You call me, we chit-chat a little bit. Finally, we get down to it. I say, listen, what happened to you? What's going on? And what challenges are you having right now? And then you just tell me what's on your mind, what happened. And then as we get into it, I'll ask you some detailed questions, because the detailed questions help me start answering legal issues that I have in my head about how can I help this person. So I need answers from you in order to give you answers about what your legal options are. So once I've got enough information, I can tell you, well, look, you have a case, or definitely you don't have a case. Or usually what happens is, I say, because I do a pretty detailed consultation usually, unless somebody just calls me up and says, I know I have a case, I want to hire you, then it's a quick consultation. But the bottom line is, usually I say, yes, you have a case, but you have to be aware of this, you have to be aware of that, you have to be aware of this. Like, for example, somebody might call me and say, I'm treating with the company doctor, is that a good idea? I'm treating with a doctor who's being a jerk, is that a good idea? My doctor wants me to go to work back to work full duty, but I'm having severe pain. These are sorts of things that pop into people's heads and that motivate them to call a lawyer, right? Or some people have even asked me, is it even worth it to do a case? Is this going to get dragged out and I'm going to end up with nothing? Because some people have had bad luck with lawyers and bad experiences with lawyers in the past, and so it makes them skeptical and hesitant to call and talk to a lawyer. That's why even when somebody may not have a case or has a really challenging case, I'm always honest with them, but I try to be generally nice and supportive. Because people, insurance companies get rich by people not getting free consultations. They get rich by people not knowing their rights, not knowing how this stuff works. So it's like you as an adult playing checkers against a kid who's just learning checkers. You're going to beat him every time. And you can smile at him and be nice, but unfortunately we're not talking about a friendly game. We're talking about a situation where I got an ambulance here, I got to pull over. Okay, I pulled over for the ambulance. Isn't that funny? An injury lawyer had to pull over for an ambulance during a video. Hey, it happens. I hope they're okay. Now, I know some of you think I'm going to go chase that ambulance, but I'm not that kind of injury lawyer. Shame on you for saying that. Anyway, my point is, insurance companies get rich by people not knowing their rights, being afraid to talk to a lawyer, or talking to a lawyer who's a jerk. And then they don't want to work with the lawyer, and now they don't want to talk to anybody, and they let it go. Insurance companies save literally millions of dollars on people who don't follow up on a claim and don't work on a claim. Millions of dollars a year that injured people could be getting if they just reached out and spoke with a lawyer, learned their rights, hired a lawyer who respected them, who actually works hard on the cases, okay? So, you know, short video, well, relatively short video today, but, you know, if you have a situation, you should really talk to a lawyer. The consultation is free. You can do it over the phone. Some lawyers offer it over Zoom, you know, on a computer or on your phone or tablet. If that's what you want to do, you can always do that as well. Or you can, you know, most lawyers I know are willing to do in face-to-face meetings. I'm always willing to do that, but you know, with an office downtown, it's often easier to just do it on the phone. Some people want to meet you face-to-face, and there's nothing wrong with that. But see, it's nice because it's a free consultation. You get your questions answered. You don't have to hire the lawyer if you don't want to. You can think about whatever the lawyer proposes before you agree to do it. So it's a free way to get answers. I know that there's a lot of pushy lawyers out there, and there's a lot of lawyers who, you know, really push to get you to sign up with them, you know, at all costs. But most lawyers aren't like that. Most lawyers are very, very helpful, and they want to give you the answers you need, even if you don't have a case. I mean, that's certainly the case with me. So I hope this information relaxes you, makes you feel better about picking up the phone and talking to a lawyer if you need to talk to one. I'm always available for a free consultation. You can always reach me anytime, day or night, 312-500-4500. Again, that's 312-500-4500. And please like the video and subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if I can be of assistance, please reach out. I've got a ton of useful tools like the case cash calculator. Tells you what your case might be worth in 15 seconds flat. You literally answer 6 quick questions, gives you an idea. I also have the Do I Have a Good Case calculator. Free, no obligation, on my website, link in the description. And finally, if you wouldn't mind, it's 5 seconds of your time, but it's invaluable to me. Chicago is a very competitive injury market. So if you enjoy my videos, or you've gotten a consultation, or you're a current and former client, and you wouldn't mind leaving me a review on Google, a 5-star review, that would help me tremendously. I'll leave the link in the description. Literally, you go to the web address, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and I'd really, really appreciate it. Have a great day, and if I can be of help, shoot me your question. If you want me to shoot a video on a topic, leave a comment in the comment section down below. And other than that, have a great day. Take care.